Welcome to this version of Viper video series on the Viper Predator system. So we want to take a little minute to talk through what the Viper Predator system is, what it contains, what you're supposed to do once you get it, and how it works out of the box. So what we've done is we've taken all the main components of an infrared system and compacted them into one system for you so that you can then use that in multiple applications throughout your facility. So let's start by opening the box here and removing the packaging. We've got some good protective packaging in here. One of the first things you'll notice is there is a box that has actual software key and everything built into a USB drive for you, as well as all the components that you need for attaching the camera in. The other parts is a wall bracket. So you can take this, it's got a swivel mount on it, mount it to the wall, and we'll show you again how that all works together, goes together. One of the most critical pieces is the camera system. We use several different cameras in here. We'll go through those options in a little bit, but it's also located in here. And then finally, the main component inside of here is the Viper Venom enclosure. So this enclosure comes pre-assembled with an air knife on the front, a Vortex air cooler on the back, as well as all of our connections. It's fully IP67. We do different window types based on the camera that you're using. So it comes in a fully completed kit that you'll find here. And we're gonna go and step into each different piece here to see how it all goes together. All right, so Kobe's gonna help show you guys how you put all this together. So we're starting with a camera. In this case, we're using a FLIR A-series and A50 camera. So basically we're gonna unscrew, there's 4 bolts in the back of the camera that you're gonna unscrew. And then it's gonna slide out. So these are all the components that we've had in there. So what you've got is a cable that will connect to the back of the camera, and that'll match up to this mating port. There is a Ethernet adapter cable, correct?
Yes.
For when you hook your Cat6 in, you'll use this as a termination in to maintain the IP67 integrity of the system. And then there are the mounting screws for the camera itself. We've already pre-mounted the plate in here for the appropriate camera, so that will come with it. You want to make sure you have this as far forward as possible. So once you mount the camera, you want to make sure that it's as close to the window as possible without actually touching the window. And if you have a circumstance where you cannot mount it straight up and you have to mount it upside down as far as the enclosure itself, you can still maintain and keep this at the same verticality so that it's actually mounted with the camera straight up.